Save over 270 calories with this sweet, juicy blueberry crumble, perfect for breakfast or dessert while still supporting your weight loss and health goals. Let's get started. In a bowl, combine oat flakes or rye flakes. Add cinnamon, a little salt, and some brown sugar. Add cold butter. I make mine at home, and if you want that recipe, just let me know. The butter should be cold, not soft. If you want to reduce calories, you can cut the butter amount in half, but the crumble will come out a little drier. Rub the butter into the dry mix with your fingers until the texture feels moist and crumbly. Place the bowl in the fridge for 10 minutes. Now, into your baking dish, add frozen blueberries. Just make sure there's no ice and the berries are separated. Sprinkle over cornstarch, a bit of brown sugar, cinnamon, and vanilla powder. Mix gently until every berry is evenly coated in the dry mix. Remove the chilled crumble topping from the fridge and sprinkle it evenly over the blueberries. Don't press it down. We want a loose, rustic texture. Bake for about 50 minutes until the juices are bubbling at the edges and the topping is golden. Let it cool completely, then refrigerate for at least 3 hours so the filling sets. This way, it will slice cleanly when cold. This is a great make-ahead dessert or breakfast. Bake it in the evening and it'll be ready to serve in the morning. But honestly, I often just eat it warm because it's so fragrant and delicious. Perfect for anyone who loves something sweet in the morning or just has a sweet tooth in general. One serving, like in the photo, is about 180 grams, roughly 250 calories. Full recipe and macros are in the description. Let me know what you'd like me to bake next. Thanks for baking with me.